Welcome, here I've got LG K62 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we get access to advanced camera settings, and in the useful features category at the third position we have tag locations option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off or turn it on like that as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.